was very difficult to condense into a brief couple of paragraphs. In 2008, she was the New Hampshire State Representative to the Tri-State Regional Coordinating Council, co-lead, and New Hampshire Coordinating Council, building partnerships in education and practice, creating a regional model. In 2009, she was the co-chair of New Hampshire component of the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation Partners in Nursing Grant, Creativity and Connections, building a regional nursing education framework, and has tirelessly committed her time to this ongoing effort. Currently, she is the chairperson of the Education Subcommittee of the New Hampshire Action Coalition. She was nominated and appointed as an on-site accreditation evaluator by the Commission on Collegiate Nursing Education. She has published extensively and provided poster presentations on issues with women's health, and she once published a nursing practitioner certification review course manual covering adult, family, and gerontological nursing. She's been a research project advisor, the recipient of numerous research and academic teaching awards, has been a doctoral student advisor, chairperson for doctoral dissertation committees, and most recently was invited on 3 separate occasions last year to speak on the work of the Nurse of the Future initiative in the Iowa Report on the Future of Nursing. This individual has been instrumental in driving the efforts of seamless academic progression within nursing education and curriculum redesign, and has been an avid promoter of articulation agreements between associate and bachelor's degree nursing programs here in New Hampshire. In 2010-2011, she proposed, developed, and opened the first complete hybrid online nursing program in her own academic institution, an RN to BSN program that has been successful in results, increased admissions, and will recognize its first RN to BSN completion diploma in December of this year. There is so much more that could be said about this individual and the work that she has done. It is more than an honor to recognize and a privilege to award the 2012 President's Award for Progression and Advancement in Nursing Education to the Dean of St. Anselm's College, Dr. Sharon George. Sharon was not able to be here tonight, so accepting on her behalf is Karen Grafton, the clinical coordinator for St. Anselm's nursing program.
When Sharon's on a cruise to Bermuda, so you won't feel too
It is an honor to accept this award on Sharon's behalf. She has sent a message that I'd like to share with you. Dear colleagues, I can't begin to tell you how moved I am to receive this distinguished award, and I want to express my utmost disappointment in not being able to be with you tonight to receive it in person. You should have seen how surprised I was when I was told 2 weeks ago that a complimentary banquet ticket was being held for me. Of course, I wondered why, but apologized because I knew I would be on a family cruise with my children and grandchildren, which is something we had planned for many months. I have a little story to share with you real quick. Last week she looked at me and she said, Karen, I am so excited. The first thing I'm going to do on that cruise is I'm going to throw my luggage in my room and I'm going to grab up my grandchildren and we're going exploring. So that's where she's at right now. She's explored. It was then that I learned that I was to receive the President's Award this evening. You can't begin to imagine my disappointment knowing that I would not be able to make it. But I do want to share a few brief words of appreciation with you. It is such an honor and a privilege to be recognized by my colleagues for doing the work that I so much love. I would like to thank President Jane Leonard for nominating me for this esteemed award. I would also like to thank my academic and practice colleagues who have worked so hard to help me achieve my vision for nursing education and upward mobility for the nurses in New Hampshire. I am overwhelmed with gratitude by this honor. Thank you and enjoy your evening.
Kind of wraps up the award ceremony.